wooden house. Children, do you like to stay in a wooden house? Let's make one. Apply glue to the areas marked with dots. Paste wood powder on them. Color the remaining picture. And see, your beautiful wooden house is ready.